Ho, ho, ho! So the first of the Christmas recipes starts today, and I'm telling you how to make a healthy Christmas sandwich. Less calories, less fat, and it's literally unreal. So you need some roast turkey slices. I got these from Sainsbury's. They're like proper turkey slices rather than the crappy like processed ones. Some nice multi-seed bread. This is just a white half bloomer. I've got some cranberry sauce. This is the wild one from Taste the Difference in Sainsbury's. Lighter than light mayo. Some smoked bacon medallions. I've got like so less calories. Be good to yourself, Sainsbury's 8 Cumberland pork sausages. I'm going to put 2 per sandwich. And some brie. What's your favourite cheese? Gouda? So that is what we're going on today. It's going to be amazing. I'm actually making 2 of these because I've got some builders in. So I'm making them and all just because, you know, festive spirit and I'm a good host. So you're going to love this sandwich, guys. So let's get cracking. Oh! Okay, so for diet sausages, these sausages are massive. So I'm actually only going to use 1 per person. Now I'm just going to cut it down the middle like so, because they're huge, reduces the calories as well, and that is well enough for 1 sandwich. So you're just going to cut it down the middle like that, and you're going to cut this one down the middle as well. And we're then going to use 2 slices of bacon each person as well. So you cut them sausages down the middle, you need some olive oil spray, you're going to spray your pan up. Oh, I love my new kitchen, guys, I'm literally obsessed with it. And you're going to plop that sausage right on. Sizzling sausages in the pan. So this is for the pigs in blankets. You can also use vegan sausages and vegan bacon if you need to, or if vegan or vegetarian. But yeah, this is the pigs in the blankets vibes we're going for. Vibes, baby, vibes. And then whack your bacon on. As I said before, we're going to use 2 per person. Really move the sausages over. And then put the bacon on like a normal human being. Always make sure that you spray your pan. Guys, there's nothing wrong with spraying your pan. You don't have to use nose spray, like, honest to God, just allow yourself a little bit of calorie free spray. It makes your food taste so much nicer. So let them cook, flip them over, and I'll take you back over there. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to lay out the cranberry sauce onto the bread. So I'm going to go for about 25 grams per sandwich. Always measure it out, so I'm not being funny. If you want to sort of know how much you're eating, you do want to measure it out first. Just otherwise you're adding loads and loads on top and not even realising you're doing it. And to be fair, that is plenty, and that is the serving size as well, so that looks good to me. So that's 1 done, now you want to do the other one. Oh, I am a good egg. How I just eyeballed that, brilliant. So that is 20 grams per sandwich, and oh, I love cranberry sauce, literally I'm right now. So that's step 1. So you now got your sausages and your bacon here, so this is your pigs in the blanket style thing, and you're just going to layer them on. Yeah, guys, this is a massive bit of bread. Lucky I made extra sausages. So if you're on a diet, just have 1 sausage each. If you're trying to cut them calories back, but it's Christmas, so if you ain't, have 2. Because they're not high in calories anyway. I think they're like 100 and something for 2. So have 2. Sod it. You're then going to put your 2 slices of bacon on top per sandwich. God, these are going to love me. They're going to want to come back every day. Gets the job done quick though, doesn't it? Yeah, boy? Right, okay, next step, what you're going to do is, you're then going to layer on the brie. The brie. Oh my God, didn't even put the turkey on. So you're going to put 1 slice of turkey on per sandwich. This is going to be a massive sandwich. So, 1 slice of turkey per sandwich. It's literally, they're not, I've used half a slice actually, not even a whole slice, so it's nothing. They try to go out. And then what you're going to do is, you're going to put the cheese on top. So I'm going to measure it out, of course. So I'm not going to put a lot of cheese on, I'm literally just going to put a sliver. So cut the end off, don't want that in the sandwich. I'm literally just going to put probably 15 grams of cheese per sandwich. 20 grams I'm going to put per sandwich. Here I'm struggling upstairs. So they're doing my wardrobe today. So 20 grams of cheese per sandwich. Ooh. Nice. So that's, oh, that was not what on it. 20 grams per sandwich. I miss Georgia recording these for me. It's so much easier when Georgia records them. Just focus on what I'm doing a bit more, you know. And we're then gonna get the mayo. I love this stuff, but the normal one's quite bad. And you're just gonna literally $5 grams on top, which is literally like, I'm not even joking, like 5 calories of this. Yeah, 15 grams, like 11 calories, put a little bit more. Treat yourself. And that is it without it being folded and stuff. I haven't put any butter on or anything like that, I literally don't need it. Oh, get the camera. Now I'm going to cut it up and show you what it looks like, but it is honest to God banging. So, I'm not being funny, but look how big these sandwiches are. If these don't love me for this, I don't know, I give up with life. I literally give up. Can't please everyone, can you? Get that work rate up, boys. I'll show you now. So there you got it, the ultimate healthy-ish Christmas sandwich. Make sure you tag me in your recreations and let me know if you enjoyed it.